Good morning, everybody. Buenos dias. You guys, school is almost done. It's almost summer. La escuela aquí casi está terminado. Casi está el descanso del verano. So I'm very happy about that. Estoy muy feliz por eso. Yeah. I know you guys are ready for a break. I'm ready for a break. If your kids are in school. Yeah, but as I have been mentioning, if you would like at least some videos still in the summer, let me know. Probably wouldn't do them every day, but also I will have some free time. So y'all just let me know. Hello, McPhersons. Hello, Pose. Good to see you. All right, let's sing a little bit. Okay, I'm already holding the guitar, but we're gonna do head, shoulders, knees, and toes and wake up. Vamos a cantar cabeza, hombros, rodillas, pies para despertarnos. Okay, so everybody's got to stretch and shake. Okay, listos? Ready? Cabeza, hombros, rodillas, pies, rodillas, pies. Cabeza, hombros, rodillas, pies, rodillas, pies. Ojos, orejas, boca y nariz. Cabeza, hombros, rodillas, pies, rodillas, pies. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. All right, let's sing about the colors. Vamos a cantar sobre los colores with red is rojo. Yes, that's what I figured, that pretty much everything that is fun to do in the summer is canceled, or yeah, it's like, oh, you can only go if you have a mask and you have little kids. It's tough. So, okay, sorry. It's so weird looking at yourself all the time. Rather look at you guys, but can't. Yeah, so we'll figure it out. And thanks for your comments. Gracias por los comentarios. All right. Red is rojo. And we're going to see a lot of colors in this book today. Vamos a ver muchos colores en ese libro. Red is rojo, blue is azul, yellow is amarillo, verde is green, black is negro, black is white, purple is morado, brown cafe, pink is rosa, grease is gray, orange anaranjado, shout hooray. Woo! Hola, pickups, hola. Sarah, Isla, we have both of our Ollies here. And maybe both of our Ellies. I don't know. That's fun. All right. Well, since Isla's here, I will do Los Pollitos. She probably thinks that's the only song I know, but that's okay. Los pollitos dicen pío, 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 cuando tienen hambre, cuando tienen frío. All the little chicks say beep, 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 when they are cold and when they want to eat. La gallina busca el maíz y el trigo, les da la comida y les presta abrigo. Mother hen brings them corn and wheat that will warm Bajo sus dos alas, acurrucaditos, hasta el otro día duermen los pollitos. Underneath her wings, wrapped up so tight, till the next morning the chickens sleep all night. All right. Ooh, I don't know if I know any dog songs. We have all these animal songs, but I think all the animals in this book are just dogs. No. I wonder if there is a version of How Much Is That Doggy in the Window in Spanish. There's got to be more dog songs. I don't know. Y'all can probably think of some. All right, let's sing about the elephants and let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, hi Isla. I wish I was FaceTiming you. All right, let's count the elephants. Ready? Vamos a contar los elefantes. Un elefante se balanceaba sobre la tela de la araña. Como veía que resistía, fue a llamar tu elefante. 2 elefantes se balanceaban sobre la tela de la araña. Como veía que resistía, fue a llamar tu elefante. 3 elefantes se balanceaban sobre la tela de la araña. Como veían que resistía, fuera a llamar tu elefante. 4 elefantes se balanceaban sobre la tela de la araña. Como veían que resistía, fuera a llamar tu elefante. 5 elefantes se balanceaban sobre la tela de la araña. Como veían que resistía, fuera a llamar tu elefante. All right, let's sing about La Araña, the spider that makes the web that the elephants like to balance on. So we'll sing about the itsy bitsy spider. La araña pequeñita subió, subió, subió. Vino la lluvia y se la llevó. Salió el sol y todo lo secó. La araña pequeñita subió, subió, subió. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. All right, and whenever I sing about a spider, it makes me think of a cockroach. So, la cucaracha it is. Cuando canto de arañas, pienso en cucarachas. Entonces vamos a cantar la cucaracha. La cucaracha, ya no puede caminar, porque le falta, porque no tiene dinero para gastar. Una cucaracha pica, la dio una colorada. Vámonos para mi tierra, a pasar la temporada. La cucaracha, ya no puede caminar, porque le falta, porque no tiene dinero para gastar. All right, let's do de colores. De colores se visten los campos en la primavera. De colores son los pajaritos que vienen de afuera. De colores es el arco iris que vemos lucir. Y por eso los grandes amores de muchos colores me gustan a mí. Y por eso los grandes amores de muchos colores me gustan a mí. Canta el gallo, Canta el gallo con el kirikiri, kiri, kirikiri. La gallina con el cara, 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 cara. Los pollitos con el pío, 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 pío. Y por eso los grandes amores de muchos colores me gustan a mí. Y por eso los grandes amores de muchos colores me gustan a mí. All right. Let's read Go Dog Go. And then maybe we'll sing some more. Vamos a leer Corre, perro, corre por P.D. Eastman. Y quizás cantaremos más después. Vamos a ver muchos opuestos en esa historia. We're going to see a lot of opposites in this story. So when there's a big dog, there's going to be a little dog. Cuando hay un perro grande, vamos a ver un perro pequeño. Hey, like that book that we read, Perro Grande, Perro Pequeño. I think it's the same author. Pienso que es el mismo autor como Perro Grande, Perro Pequeño, Big Dog, Little Dog. So if you want to learn your opposites in Spanish or English, you will do it with this book. Si quieres aprender los opuestos en español o en inglés, vas a aprenderlo aquí en este libro. All right. Who's that? ¿Quién es eso? Perro. That's me fake rolling my R's. Can't really do it, but I'm trying. Dog. You guys good at rolling your R's? All right. See? Perro grande, perro pequeño. Big dog, little dog. Man, I should have got out that book. I'm going to see if I have it right. The book that we already read. Big dog, little dog. I remember it was pink, soft cover. No, this is like the 35th video we've done. I have so many books just in piles. At least these are in a. Oh, I found it. And I have books in here that we haven't done yet too. So it is a lot of books that I'm sorting through. Yeah, look. P.D. Eastman, el mismo autor, the same author. Okay, remember when we read this book? This was one of our bedtime stories, like the second week. And there was a lot of opposites in this book too. So if you want to learn more about opposites or just refresh your knowledge, you can go back and look that one up. I'll put the link in the comments when I'm done. So yeah, or you can go on YouTube and find it. Okay, cool. So we'll see if we can find some more connections. Big dog, little dog, perro grande, perro pequeño. Perros grandes y perros pequeños. Perros negros y blancos. Another thing this author is teaching you is about plurals. Okay, I know that's like a little too teachy right now, but it's okay. So in English, we would say big dogs and little dogs, and we would put the S sound at the end of dogs. There's more than one now. But in Spanish, you also put the S on the adjectives. Perros grandes. Big, we wouldn't say bigs dogs, but that's what we do in Spanish. Smalls dogs. I know we don't say that in English, we say it in Spanish. We also put the adjective after the noun. So that would be like us saying dogs bigs and dogs smalls in English. But that's the correct order and the correct pluralization in Spanish. So now you know. Black dogs and white dogs. And we'll see more colors later in the book. Hola, hola, hello, hello. ¿Te gusta mi sombrero? No, no me gusta. Do you like my hat? You guys see the hat? No, I don't like it. If you want to say you like something, you can say me gusta. Si quieres decir que te gusta algo en inglés, puedes decir I like it. Adios. Adios. Goodbye, goodbye. Un perro pequeñito entrando, tres perros grandes saliendo. One little dog going in, three big dogs coming out. Oh, and in the picture it says entrada, salida, entrance, exit. You will see that in places like el aeropuerto, the airport. Not that we're flying anytime soon, but one day, kids, you'll grow up and you'll see it. Un perro rojo sobre un árbol azul. Un perro azul sobre un árbol rojo. One red dog on a blue tree. One blue dog on a red tree. Un perro verde sobre un árbol amarillo. One green dog on a yellow tree. Good thing we practice our colors. Qué bueno que ya practicamos los colores. Algunos perros grandes y algunos perros pequeños dando vueltas en sus autos. Un perro se quedó sin auto. Some big dogs and some little dogs driving around in their cars, taking them for a spin. One dog without a car. Uh-oh. Dos perros grandes subiendo. Un perro pequeñito bajando. Two big dogs going up. One little dog going down. This is like when we sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider and we say, subió, subió, subió. Went up, went up, went up. Subir means to go up. Bajar means to go down. El perro verde está arriba. El perro amarillo está abajo. The green dog is up. The yellow dog is down. El perro azul está dentro. El perro rojo está fuera. The blue dog is inside. The red dog is outside. Dentro y fuera. Inside and outside. Un perro arriba de una casa. Tres perros abajo en el agua. One dog up on top of the house. Three dogs down below in the water. Un perro verde encima de un árbol. Un perro amarillo debajo de un árbol. One green dog above the tree. One yellow dog below the tree or under the tree. Dos perros en una casa. En un bote en el agua. Two dogs in a house, in a boat, in the water. Un perro arriba del agua, un perro debajo del agua. One dog above the water, one dog under the water. I think in the English book of this, it says, in a house, on a boat, in the water, something like that. But in Spanish, you can say en for on or for in English. Another crazy hat. Hola, hola. Hello, hello. ¿Te gusta mi sombrero? No, no me gusta. Do you like my hat? No, I don't like it. Adios, adios. Goodbye, goodbye. Dogs on scooters. Los perros dan vueltas, vueltas y más vueltas. Una vuelta más. The dogs go around and around and around again. One more time around. El sol está afuera, el sol es amarillo. El sol amarillo está encima de la casa. The sun is out, the sun is yellow. The yellow sun is above the house. Hace calor aquí afuera en el sol. It's hot outside here in the sun. No hace calor aquí debajo de la casa. It's not hot here under the house. Sitting in the shade. Sentado en la sombra. Is that right? Or does that mean shadow? Ahora es de noche. Now it is night. Tres perros en una fiesta en un bote por la noche. Now it's night. 3 dogs at a party on a boat at night. Here's how you can tell it's a party. One of them has a banjo, and 2 of them are playing checkers. So, very lit party. Perros trabajando. Trabajen, perros, trabajen. Perros jugando. Jueguen, perros, jueguen. Dogs working. Work, dogs, work. Dogs playing. Play, dogs, play. So, this is for our advanced students here, but when you see ando at the end of a word in Spanish, that's like ing in English. Working, playing, trabajando, jugando. Hola otra vez. Oh, what kind of crazy hat is going to be this time? Hola, hello again, hello. ¿Te gusta mi sombrero? No, no me gusta ese sombrero. Do you like my hat? No, I do not like that hat. Adiós otra vez. Adiós. Goodbye again, goodbye. Forgot how long this book is. Se me olvidó de cuán largo ese libro está. Los perros se van en sus autos. Se van deprisa. The dogs go in their cars. They go in a hurry. Mira esos perros como van. Corran, perros, corran. Look at these dogs, how they go. Go, dogs, go. Sometimes you will say run for correr, but they're in a car. Paren, perros, paren. Stop, dogs, stop. La luz está roja. The light is red. I'm just teaching a lot of facts about Spanish right now, but you know, we always sing in our song, red is rojo, but in the book it said roja. That's because la luz, that's a female word, feminine word. It's a girl word. So you change the O to an A and say roja instead of rojo. But like, if it was a red dog, it would say un perro rojo because it's a boy, unless it's a girl dog, and then that wasn't a great example. Another thing adjectives in English do not do is change genders, but in Spanish you do change it to match the noun. Sigan, perros, sigan, la luz está verde. Keep going, dogs, keep going. The light is green. And see, verde ends with an E, so it just stays the same for masculine and feminine words. Dos perros juegan. Ellos juegan allá arriba. 2 dogs play. They play up there. Bajen, perros. No juegan allá arriba. Bajen. Come down, dogs. Don't play up there. Come down. Ahora es de noche. No se juega durante la noche. Now it is night. They're not playing at night. Es hora de dormir. It's time to sleep. Los perros van a dormir. The dogs go to sleep. Ellos duermen toda la noche. They sleep all night. Ya es de día. Now it's day. El sol ha salido. The sun has come out. Es hora de levantarse. It's time to get up. A levantarse es de día. Es hora de ponerse en marcha. Corran, perros, corran. Time to get up. It's day. It's time to go. Ponerse en marcha. Go, dogs, go. Allá van. There they go. Mira qué rápido van los perros. Look how fast the dogs go. ¿Por qué van tan rápidamente en esos autos? Why do they go so fast in those cars? ¿Qué van a hacer? What are they going to do? ¿A dónde van los perros? Where are they going? Mira a dónde van. Todos van hacia aquel árbol grande. Look where they're going. They're all going toward that big tree. Ahora se paran los autos. Ahora se bajan los perros. Y ahora mira hacia dónde van. Now the cars stop. Now the dogs get out. And now look where they are going towards. Suben el árbol, up the tree, up the tree. Suben hasta lo alto del árbol. They go up to the top of the tree. ¿Por qué? Why? ¿Trabajarán allá? Allí? Will they work there? ¿Jugarán allí? Will they play there? ¿Qué hay allí en lo alto de ese árbol? What's up there at the top of the tree? Una fiesta, a party, una gran fiesta, a big party. Perros grandes, perros pequeños, big dogs, little dogs. Perros rojos, perros azules, perros amarillos, perros verdes, perros negros y perros blancos. Todos están en la fiesta. Vaya qué fiesta de perros. Red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, black dogs, white dogs. Everybody is at the party. Look at what a dog party it is. Pretty cool party, actually. You can see. I'll let you look at it for a second. There's cake. Hay un bizcocho o una torta. There's a trampoline. There's jump ropes. They're playing a lot of games. Making music, I think. Presents. Party hats. This dog is about to shoot himself out of a circus cannon, I think. Hola, ¿y ahora te gusta mi sombrero? Hello, and now do you like my hat? Sí, me gusta. Vaya que sombrero. Me gusta mucho ese sombrero de fiesta. Yes, I do like it. Look at what a hat. I like it. I like that party hat a lot. Adios. Adios. Guys, it's time for us to say adios too. It's 10:29. Ya está la hora de decir adios. Son las 10:30 menos 1. Entonces, espero que puedan describir tu favorito tipo de fiesta. Hope you guys can draw or write about your own favorite kind of party. What kind of party would you like to have? That all the dogs in the world could go to, or all the kids, I guess. What would your party be like? Como estaría tu fiesta? So, on that note, have a great day. See you guys on Wednesday. Que tengan un buen día y nos vemos el miércoles. Adios. Bye.